Carpinus betulus, European hornbeam. This plant is at the Scott Arboretum. It's growing in considerable shade. It's not as well branched as it would be. You see the buds. The buds are imbricate, which means they're covered with scales. That was before it popped open. And the young twigs are heavily lenticelled. The bark is smooth and gray. It's the name musclewood, similar to Carpinus caroliniana. It's heavily branched. Now I will show you a tree that's growing out in full sun, a perfect specimen. Notice the really distinctive shape. It's like a teardrop, densely branched with fine twigs. Carpinus have very fine, delicate twigs. The branches are alternate. The buds are alternate. This is Carpinus betulus. Notice how the buds sort of wrap or hook around the stem, or at least across the stem. See, like this one right here. With the American Carpinus caroliniana, they do not do that. So that's a very good feature. And the dormant buds, these are starting to swell. The dormant buds, even though they're not quite as pronounced, they'll have that same curved back towards the stem shape. Now, these are the flowers on Carpinus. This is actually Carpinus caroliniana, but betulus is very similar. The green things that you see hanging down are male catkins. They're in the axils of the branches of the leaves. The female flowers, which form the nuts, are on the terminals, as indicated by the squiggly arrows there. On Carpinus caroliniana, they're longer. Those peduncles that get left behind, they're 3 to 6 or 4 to 6 inches on Carolina, but they're only 3 inches on Carpinus betulus. This is a chain of ribbed nutlets carried on a hanging stalk called a peduncle. On this species, it's 3 inches long, and that's what you see in the other picture.